The algorithm brought you back for a reason. Sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle for weight loss. This has almost 3 times more protein than the original. For the griddle cakes, we're gonna start out with oats, almond milk, egg whites, vanilla protein powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, cinnamon, brown sugar, and light syrup. And blend until smooth. We're gonna cook on medium heat with this cool little cutout. Now time for the sausage. We're gonna take lean ground turkey, add salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and a bit of light syrup. And once again, cook on medium heat. Finally, we're gonna take egg beaters or egg whites, a bit of salt, and cover. And now we assemble with American cheese. It doesn't get better than this. The algorithm brought you back for a reason. Beef and cheese burritos for weight loss with a creamy chipotle sauce. These were so good and so easy to make. On a medium heat pan, add lean ground beef, add salt, garlic powder, and paprika. Once it gets some browning, add light cream cheese, taco sauce, and stir. Then we add reduced fat cheese, jalapenos or green chilies, and then we assemble on low carb tortillas with nacho cheese and chipotle sour cream. Toast the burritos and enjoy. This is the best high-protein meal prep. Honey sriracha salmon bites. They're delicious, nutritious, and easy to make. We're gonna start out with skinless salmon and cut them into bite-sized cubes. Then we're gonna marinate in olive oil, salt, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. For the glaze, we're gonna simply mix honey and sriracha. Then we're gonna toss the cubes in the air fryer for about 6 minutes. Then brush them with the glaze and 2 more minutes in the air fryer. And we're done. All it took was about 15 minutes with prep and cooking. So good.
You only got 20 minutes to cook. Let's make some bibimbap. Every bite is perfect. Cut up all our veggies, add them into our pan, a drizzle of sesame oil, season with salt, and we can set them aside. I got frozen beef rolls, gonna add that in here. Season with soy sauce, a little bit of honey, and sesame oil. Gochujang, grated garlic, sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Hot honey chicken tenders in the air fryer. That is so good. We got our chicken breast cut into strips. I'm gonna give them a little salt and pepper, a nice even coat of flour, drop them into our egg wash, and our final station are some crushed corn flakes. Now give them a quick spray of oil into the air fryer for 10 minutes, flipping halfway through. Honey, sriracha, a little bit of butter, microwave 20 seconds.
Lately you don't feel like yourself, you kinda hate it. You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. Cause I feel you getting lost, I feel you trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's something so subliminal about the way that your hands shake whenever you talk. You stare into space like you're lost in your thoughts.